So, yeah. We are now going to be doing whatever this is talking about. Ah. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Oh, that's good. We've got an AK-47. I don't know why. Oh, I think... Oh, we're going to rifles lobby now. And looks like I've got pistol equipped for the first game.
I almost have 100.
Yeah, a lot now.
Right, let's equip this. Oh, battle?
Anybody good?
I bet! My first time
good?
playing.
Join my lobby with my friend, please. Anybody that's good at the game.
I'm good. I'm not really that good. I'm not really that good.
I'm new.
not really that good. Could I go?
So hello.
Yes.
Match found.
Third person has.
He has sniper.
Hello.
He has sniper.
I'm new.
I don't.
Match starting.
I have to unlock.
Oh my god, that's creepy.
He doesn't have sniper,
Round
so kill
starting.
him.
I don't have
Right,
sniper.
let's go.
I don't have sniper.
Battle
He's
started.
a little Timmy. And he doesn't have...
That I have to unlock.
Boom.
120.
Oh, come on. You were so low. He was one hit. Good job, teammate. Oh, yeah.
My first time playing and I literally
Round
killed.
starting.
The sniper is the last one I have to get.
Oh,
Headshot.
I'm dead.
run teammate.
Oh, come on.
Don't let them snipe you or
one
whatever.
shot.
Yes. Yes, teammate.
Bro.
Good job, teammate.
Yeah.
I am.
Round starting.
You died first. Oh, dude. He's behind you.
Oh,
Nice.
teammate.
How did I go flying?
Yes.
Did you see me?
Good job,
Did
teammate.
you see me
Yeah,
as a
it's long
ghost? I
range,
was
it's long
flying.
Round starting.
I'm equipping pistol for
Stay right here.
no reason at all. Ah! Ah! I'm dying.
One's low.
Teammate.
Dang it. Alright, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm cooking now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, teammate, we're so scared, right? He's cooking.
Round starting.
It's match point, isn't it? Yes. Got one of
Yeah.
these bad boys.
This last video of the
I want to
day.
get me on some scary button board. What the Sigma? He's right there.
Yes.
Bro. I thought you said you were locking. I thought y'all said
But yeah,
you were
that's
locking in.
last video. Bye.